Guys, I want to make a hard OB, but we can't. Look around. Huh? Bro, you guys want to make a hard OB? Yes. Look, stop folding it. Fine, I'll make a hard OB. We just need a scissors, colors, and a pen. I mean, that's not a pen, that's a pencil. And, of course, a real pen. Let me see what I can do. Bro, is this block okay? Let me put it. Huh? We have to jump on that. We cannot jump on the floor. Bruh. Bro, I should stop fall. And yes, you do. You cannot touch the floor. You can only touch the block. Fine. Bruh, I keep falling. Fine. Tell your friends that I'm making a block and I'll make another OB. Alright, so let me see what I can do. Is this good? Wait, why is there a big, medium size, and a small one? Bruh, why you people? Cause every jump is gonna be smaller. Okay? Make another OB right now. Shield, bro. Shield. And make another one right now. Hey yo, wake up, look. Squid Game is back. Is that glass bridge? Yes, bro, what else? Awesome. Okay, make another one right now. Or you're fine, but I'm not even working for you. I'm just helping you. Oh, fine, just make it. Okay, bro, chill. I'm back. I made a balance beam. You're telling we need to balance that? Yes, bro. What else? Oh, sorry, no need to be mean. Fine. I'll make another one. Look now. Chill. Alright. Woo. Let me explain how to do this part. You need to jump to the circles without falling. Alright, bro. I'll do that. Oh, that's good. Set it up now. Fine. Can you wait? Yes, bro. Oh, okay. Bye. Oh, nice. Let me try it out. Jump. Jump. How much are the lights? Long. Go back. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Right. Down. Hug. Right. 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 Wrong. Hug. Right, 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 right. Okay, this is hard. Right, right, right. Ah, let's go. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to Brian Lingat. Bye.